The CX-5 compact crossover is the best-selling vehicle in Mazda's lineup, and an all-new third-generation design has just been revealed today, which will launch as a 2026 model. The CX-5 was first launched in 2012, followed by a second-generation design in 2016. It's positioned as a more urban-esque model compared to the slightly larger and adventurous CX-50, which also was redesigned just last year. In a press release provided to media prior to the reveal, Mazda executives note that the 2026 CX-5 was built to be instantly familiar as a CX-5 while also making functional and stylish design improvements overall. The new 2026 Mazda CX-5 is 4.5 inches longer compared to the outgoing model, with a 3-inch longer wheelbase. It's also half an inch wider and sits on a wider track width. The all-new front signature wing now joins the front lighting and grille, which aesthetically ties it to the rest of the CX family. The new front and rear lighting designs trace back to both the CX-70 and CX-90. Another new change is that the CX-5 now has available 19-inch wheels, creating a distinctive new look to the side profile. The 2026 CX-5 is also where we get to see Mazda's new script, which is visible between the rear lighting on the liftgate as well as on the newly designed steering wheel. And the new steering wheel is one of many new changes to the interior, which is where the most instantly noticeable changes can be seen. A longer, wider instrument panel is where you'll find what is perhaps the most dominant new feature of the interior, which is the new available 15.6-inch wide touchscreen display. Now this, to my mind, is a long overdue replacement to the smaller recessed touchscreen that was a constant complaint of many, including myself. The new interface features Google built-in technology, which allows users to download features like Google Assistant, Google Maps, and a host of other available apps and features. Now, those familiar with Mazda interiors will also notice that the 2026 CX-5 no longer features the central commander control, which has been a staple of Mazda interiors for over a decade. There is a new front seat design that includes more concave seating surfaces and thinner headrests. But Mazda was excited to note that thanks to the new longer wheelbase, the 2026 CX-5 will offer the most in-class rear seat roominess with improved headroom and knee clearance. Getting into and out of the second row has also been improved with a larger second row door, which is helpful for loading infant car seats and carriers. Cargo space has also been improved due to 2 extra inches of length and a taller rear hatch opening. However, exact specs on cargo capacity and other measurements were not released at this time. The 2026 CX-5 will initially be powered by Mazda's very familiar 2.5-liter SkyActiv-G engine, offering 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard iActive all-wheel drive. But starting with the 2027 model, Mazda's in-house hybrid design will also be available. This will differ from the CX-50 Hybrid, which utilizes Toyota's hybrid drive system, but no other details were offered in this initial release. Now, Mazda says that full pricing details along with a complete spec sheet will be released in early 2026, with sales beginning in the spring. So what do you think of the new CX-5 design? Let me know by dropping a comment, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and share it with others. If you're not subscribed to the Novak Report, please consider doing so, and if you are a subscriber already, make sure you've rung the bell so that you get notified of every time I upload something new. That's it for this first look at the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5. I'm Eric Novak. Thanks for watching.